Hi, my name's Laura from Market Street Ace Hardware. I'm excited to show you today our Amy Howard collection. We are going to be redoing a table with a one-step paint that she makes. What I really love about Amy Howard paint is that it's safe, it's family friendly, there's no VOCs, and you can reuse, repurpose, and restore old furniture. So to do this project, you're going to want to start with a clean surface. Amy Howard likes to use simple green or even a Windex, anything with a degreaser. So we've already cleaned the table. The supplies that you're going to need is the one-step paint, our clear wax, and then you're also going to need 2 China Bristle brushes. This is the Amy Howard 2.5-inch brush. Any brush will do, but this is going to give you a nicer, like, antique finish look to your piece. So we're going to start with our one-step paint. Go ahead and dip your brush into your paint can. And just make sure to offload it onto the side so that you don't have too much paint on your brush. You want to make sure that you apply it in a crosshatch formation so it gives you that nice antique look to your piece. And just continue to paint in that formation until you've finished the whole piece. So now that we've applied 2 coats of our Amy Howard one-step paint, we're going to use our clear wax, and what that's going to do is give you a nice smooth surface across your piece. So go ahead and open up your wax and grab your China Bristle brush and just get a nice good coat on your brush. And if you have some cardboard handy, go ahead and just offload a little bit. We don't want to do a thick coat of the wax on your piece. You want to just do nice even strokes, and you'll feel how smooth of a surface. It takes it from like a chalky finish to a really nice, smooth, even surface. So after you've applied that to your whole piece, now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the bragging rights.